Good morning, guys. Today I'm going to plant two varieties of fig. I'm aiming as of now for 1,000 subscribers. So please kindly subscribe. This is a white Marseille fig tree. I have this for 5 years already. This is Violette de Bordeaux. And the other one is Fig Chicago. Make sure that the pots you're using have holes in it. And I'm also using mulch for good drainage and to prevent the soil from passing through. Fig plants prefer slightly acidic soil between 6